One of my favorite things, Beekeeping 101. So what is a drone? A drone is a male bee. He's larger than the rest of the colony. He does not gather nectar or pollen, and he's unable to feed himself without assistance from the worker bees, which are the females. Like, I'm not kidding, I don't make this up. This is a true story. But he's extremely important because his role is to mate with the queen. That is his role. And without him, you cannot have the survival of the beehive. So his only role is to hang out and wait to mate with the queen. Now the queen can only mate once. So all these guys are hanging out there ready to mate with the queen, but she can only mate once, and then the rest of them say, well, I guess we're here for nothing. So, but don't forget his role. He is extremely important in the large scheme of things, absolutely. Because that male bee, that drone, without him, there would be no survival of the colony of the honeybees. So that little, well, he's not a little guy, he's the big guy in the colony. He's important. Without him, there would be no more future for the beehive. So let's say thank you to the drone. And you have a great day.